All right, let's dive in. Today, we're all about animal migration.
Yeah,
And, you probably already know it's animals moving long distances,
right.
but we're going way deeper than that. We're
Absolutely.
talking about the why and the how of these incredible journeys. And we've got a list,
We do.
the top 10 most mind-blowing animal migrations.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Get ready to have your mind blown.
It is amazing.
Okay, so kicking it off at number 1,
All right.
we've got a bird that basically lives in a perpetual summer,
Oh, I like that.
the Arctic tern.
Okay.
Their round trip can be a whopping 44,000 miles
Wow.
between the Arctic and the Antarctic.
So they're seeing 2 summers every year.
Exactly. They've evolved to max out their daylight hours.
Yeah.
For feeding and breeding
Taking advantage of those abundant food sources.
in both polar regions.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. How do they navigate these distances?
Right.
Especially over open ocean. There are no landmarks out there.
It's incredible.
The research suggests that they might be using a combination of things.
Like what?
Well, the Earth's magnetic field,
Okay.
possibly the stars,
Mm.
and even maybe their sense of smell.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And scientists are still piecing this intricate puzzle together.
It really is.
And, every time they uncover a piece of it,
Yeah.
it reveals just how complex these systems are.
Absolutely.
Okay. Moving on from a bird that chases summer
Okay.
to a delicate beauty
Ooh.
with a multi-generational journey.
I'm intrigued.
The monarch butterfly,
Glass.
up to 3,000 miles to the Oyamel fir forests in Mexico.
Yeah, that's a long way.
It's not just impressive, it's kind of a biological mystery
It is. It's fascinating.
because it takes several generations of monarchs to complete a full migration cycle.
Right.
So one generation starts it, the next
Yeah.
generation picks up,
And so on.
and the next one finishes it.
Right.
They've never been there before,
Yeah.
but they know where to go.
That's the crazy part.
And lab studies have shown that they have this internal compass
Oh, wow.
that allows them to sense the Earth's magnetic field.
Really?
Yeah. So it's like a combination of that and other cues.
That guides them.
Guides them on a route they've never flown before.
Incredible.
Okay, let's switch gears completely
Right.
to a fishtail,
All right.
sockeye salmon.
Okay. Fish migration.
You might think, big deal, right?
Well, I mean, they swim.
But their journey upstream to spawn to their birthplace
Oh, I see where you're going.
is truly epic.
Okay.
So imagine swimming hundreds of miles
Yeah.
against strong currents,
Yeah.
leaping waterfalls.
No way.
They even change.
What do you mean?
They undergo a physical transformation during this journey
Oh, wow.
to adapt to fresh water.
So their bodies are changing.
They change color
Hmm.
and they stop eating
Really?
completely.
Wow.
They're running just on stored energy.
That's wild.
I mean, as you think, what drives them
Right.
to endure something so challenging? It really shows how important these habitats are for their survival
Absolutely.
and how intricately connected they are to their environment.
100%.
Okay, we're talking epic journeys.
Let's keep going.
So let's move to the African savanna
Okay.
for the wildebeest migration.
All right.
Picture massive herds,
How massive are we talking?
upwards of 1.8 million strong,
Oh, my goodness.
moving across the Serengeti and the Masai Mara,
Wow.
looking for fresh grazing and water.
That's a sight to see.
1,800 miles in a circular migration.
That's intense.
It's not just a spectacle.
vital.
It was a vital part of the Serengeti's ecosystem.
Yeah, the whole thing's connected.
Their grazing patterns influence plant diversity,
Oh, that makes sense.
and they're a food source for predators.
Like lions and crocodiles.
Exactly. So it's like this,
Like a dance.
a perfectly
Oh,
choreographed dance of life and death.
I like that.
But it's a dangerous journey, especially those river crossings
Oh.
where predators are waiting. It really reminds us of the challenges animals face.
In their constant fight for survival.
Okay, from the vast plains of Africa.
Yeah.
Let's dive into the ocean depths
Oh, I love this.
to follow the humpback whales'
Majestic.
10,000-mile round trip.
Wow.
From those polar feeding grounds to those tropical breeding grounds.
That's a long way.
It's really a testament to their endurance.
Incredible.
So they spend their summers feasting in cold, nutrient-rich waters,
Yeah.
building up those blubber reserves.
Right.
And then they travel to warmer waters to breed and give birth,
Got it.
all while fasting
But really,
for extended periods.
that's like running a marathon on an empty stomach.
It is. It's a testament to their physiological adaptation.
For sure.
Okay, get ready for this one.
I'm ready.
The bar-tailed godwit
What about it?
takes long-distance flights to another level.
Okay.
7,000 miles nonstop,
Whoa.
from Alaska to New Zealand,
No way.
without food or rest.
Hold on, are you serious?
I am serious.
That's like a human running multiple marathons back to back.
Without a break.
That's mind-boggling.
It is. They go through some serious changes.
Like what?
Well, they shrink their internal organs.
Oh, they what?
They shrink them to reduce weight.
Right, yeah.
And then they increase their fat stores for energy.
To fuel that flight.
It's like they've hacked the avian physiology system.
It really is.
And it all comes down to natural selection, right?
Survival of the fittest.
Those who could make these journeys passed those traits down.
Through the generations.
So the Godwit's journey is like this prime example of
evolution.
how evolution has shaped adaptations.
To enable these migrations.
Okay, from high-flying endurance athletes
Okay.
back to the ocean depths
Right.
with the ancient mariners,
Who are we talking about?
the green sea turtles.
Oh, cool.
Their migrations from feeding grounds to nesting beaches
Yeah.
can span entire ocean basins.
Really?
And what's remarkable is their ability to navigate back to the same beach where they were born,
No way.
sometimes after decades.
Decades of roaming the seas.
Like having an internal GPS
Right.
that guides you back to your birthplace after years of traveling the world.
Except they're not using satellites.
They're using a combination of magnetic cues, chemical signals, maybe even wave patterns.
It's amazing how they do that.
It's a complex navigational system,
It really is.
and it shows us how important it is to protect those nesting beaches.
Yeah, because if those get disrupted...
It jeopardizes the survival of future generations.
Exactly.
Okay, buckle up.
What's next?
We're about to witness a spectacle.
I love a good spectacle.
The Christmas Island red crab migration.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of this one.
Millions of bright red crabs
Billions.
emerging from the forests,
Okay.
making their way to the coast
To do what?
to release their eggs into the sea.
Oh,
It's like the island is coming alive,
I can imagine.
and their journey is intricately timed
With what?
with the lunar cycle
Oh, okay.
and high tides
Oh, that's interesting.
to make sure that those eggs are released at the optimal time
To give those larvae the best chance.
for survival.
Because it's all about timing.
Millions of crabs synchronizing their movements.
It's wild.
It really shows the interconnectedness of nature
For sure.
and how these migrations are linked to environmental cues.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's head to the northern latitudes now.
Okay.
For the caribou migration,
Right?
they travel between their winter ranges in the boreal forests
Yeah.
to their calving grounds in the Arctic tundra, and during freezing temperatures and navigating those treacherous ice flows.
That's tough.
Their resilience is remarkable.
It really is.
You know, they face harsh weather,
Yeah.
river crossings,
Rugged landscapes.
all while carrying the next generation.
Oh, wow.
It's a reminder that even in extreme environments,
Yeah.
life finds a way.
It does.
And these migrations are essential for maintaining that delicate web of life.
They are, those migrations are vital
Yeah.
for maintaining healthy populations.
And a key role in the Arctic ecosystems.
Exactly.
And finally, we come to the seemingly fragile
But resilient.
dragonflies.
Okay.
Some species of these winged wonders
They're amazing.
embark on migrations over 10,000 miles,
Wow.
often involving multiple generations.
So similar to the monarchs.
Yeah, to complete the journey.
That's a long way for a dragonfly.
And they navigate using a variety of things.
What kind of things?
Celestial cues, wind patterns,
Oh, interesting.
even polarized light.
Wow. They're using all sorts of tools.
It's fascinating to think about how these tiny insects
Yeah, they seem so delicate.
can undertake these epic journeys,
It's pretty incredible.
reminding us that there's so much we still don't know
Absolutely. There's always more to discover.
about the natural world.
That's what keeps it exciting, right?
Take that.
It's a constant source of wonder and amazement.
For sure.
And it really underscores the interconnectedness of life on our planet
Right.
and how even these seemingly small journeys
Yeah.
can have a ripple effect
On ecosystems.
across the globe.
It's pretty amazing.
It really is.
We've covered some serious ground today.
Haven't we?
Or should I say air and water.
Yeah, we've been all over.
Tiny insects to massive whales.
It's amazing.
The sheer variety in how animals migrate.
And think about those navigational strategies.
Oh, yeah.
Magnetic fields, stars, even the smell of the ocean.
It's incredible.
It's like sensory worlds.
Right, that we don't even fully grasp.
Yeah, it makes you realize
That these journeys
aren't just wanderings.
they're finely tuned,
Evolved over millennia.
vital to their survival.
And the ecosystems they're part of.
If you disrupt a key stopover point,
Or breeding ground.
the effects cascade.
Through the whole web.
It's humbling
Isn't it?
that our small actions,
Can have such a big impact.
but that also means supporting conservation can make a difference.
Absolutely. The more we understand,
Yeah.
the better we can advocate for their protection.
It's about ensuring these incredible journeys continue.
For everyone's sake.
It's easy to get lost in the grand scale of these migrations.
It is.
But I think it's important to remember the individual animals,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
like the personal stories.
Within the vast movements.
Exactly. Imagine the challenges they overcome.
Sheer determination.
Think about a young humpback whale calf
Okay.
making its first epic journey
Wow.
with its mother,
Navigating the oceans.
facing those unknown dangers.
Or picture a tiny monarch butterfly
Yeah.
riding those wind currents,
Guided by instinct,
following that path.
laid out by generations past.
It's amazing.
Or the sockeye salmon,
Yeah.
battling upstream,
Against all odds.
driven by this urge.
To return to its birthplace.
Each journey is filled with challenges and triumphs.
It's incredible.
It's a reminder
Liz.
that these migrations are not just abstract events,
Right.
they're personal journeys.
And each individual plays a role,
It makes you wonder
doesn't it?
what it's like to experience the world through their senses,
To navigate by instinct.
to be so connected.
To nature's rhythms.
So let's shift gears for a second.
Okay.
If you had the chance to experience one of these migrations firsthand,
Oh, that's a good one.
which one would you choose?
Oh, that's a tough one.
I know, right?
They're all so remarkable.
Yeah.
If I had to choose,
Yeah.
I think I'd be drawn to the humpback whales.
Oh, really?
To witness those majestic creatures
Yeah,
gliding through the ocean,
I can see that.
hear their songs.
It'd be unforgettable.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's something about those gentle giants.
Their size, their social structures.
For me,
Yeah.
I think I'd go with the wildebeest.
Oh, really?
To witness those vast herds,
Thundering across the plains.
feel the ground shake,
That'd be amazing.
that circle of life playing out,
In such a raw way.
like stepping back in time,
Isn't it?
witnessing something that's played out for millennia.
It's incredible.
A reminder that we're part of this incredible web.
We are connected in ways we may not fully understand.
Precisely. And by appreciating these migrations,
What do we gain?
a deeper understanding
Of our place.
in the natural world.
Exactly.
As we wrap this up,
Yeah.
I'm left with awe and wonder,
Me too.
but also a sense of responsibility
We've been given this glimpse,
into their world
and it's up to us.
to ensure these journeys continue,
It's a call to action.
isn't it?
We're not just observers
We're participants
in their fate,
by supporting conservation,
advocating for protection.
making conscious
We
choices
can ensure these migrations continue.
for generations to come,
It's about understanding.
that we're all connected.
We are.
It's what's so captivating about these migrations.
They connect us to something ancient,
Primal.
a reminder of nature's power
Absolutely. They highlight the resilience.
and adaptability of life.
Think about it.
Okay.
These animals are facing challenges,
Climate change, habitat loss,
pollution,
and yet they continue to migrate,
driven by instinct.
honed over millennia.
It's a testament to evolution.
It is.
They've developed these adaptations
Navigational system
to overcome obstacles.
and ensure survival.
It's a reminder that nature is always evolving,
adapting
finding ways to persist.
in the face of adversity,
It gives me hope
doesn't it?
that even with the challenges we're facing,
Yeah.
there's still a chance.
Resilience.
And renewal.
I love that perspective.
It's not about ignoring the problems,
Right.
but recognizing nature's ability to adapt.
And overcome
Maybe we could learn a thing or two
from these animals.
about resilience
The determination
and working
to
together.
overcome challenges.
It's really inspiring. You know,
It is.
they show us how interconnected life is,
Yeah, this delicate balance.
that we're all a part of.
And it highlights how important it is to protect them.
Absolutely, because,
Yeah.
we're not just observers.
Right, we're participants.
Our choices have an impact.
And by supporting conservation,
Yeah,
we can help preserve them.
for generations to come. So, as we wrap up our deep dive,
Okay.
I want to leave you with this thought.
All right.
The next time you see a bird
Yeah.
or a fish leaping,
Or even a tiny insect,
take a moment.
to think about their journeys.
Remember, they're part of something bigger,
Much bigger.
a vast web of life.
That connects us all.
Let that inspire you.
To learn more, to protect them,
Advocate for their
and
habitats
play your part
in ensuring these journeys
for
continue.
years to come.
Until next time,
Yeah.
keep exploring.
Keep questioning.
Keep marveling at the wonders of the world.
Absolutely.